my Father. Yes, I thank you, my Lord, with all of my heart. 'Cause you've sustained me in times of trouble. That's why I thank you with all my heart. Yes, I thank you, oh my Father. Oh, I thank you, Lord, with all of my heart. You sustain me in times of trouble, and I will thank you with all my heart. 'Cause if it had not been for the Lord, I would have fallen. I know I would. If it had not been for the Lord, I'd have perished away. But you've sustained me in times of trouble. I will thank you with all my heart. Oh, I thank you, oh my Father. Yes, I thank you, Lord, with all of my heart. 'Cause you've sustained me in times of trouble. I will thank you with all my heart. If it had not been for the Lord, I would have fallen. Oh, if it had not been for the Lord, I'd have perished away. But you sustained me in the time of my trouble. I will thank you with all my heart. Yes, I